Peonies Digital and a digital marketing professional, holding 7+ years of experience in PPC advertising, social media marketing, and brand consultation. During my work tenure, I have worked with various national as well as international brands. Presently, I am working on automating the marketing industry using artificial intelligence. By using artificial intelligence, I am empowering the businesses and helping them to manage a wonderful customer flow and lead management system, creating amazing sales funnel and lot more, which is helping them to achieve their ROI goals, their existing customers in loop, and increase their brand consideration and recall lift, which continuously helps them in acquiring new customers. So, I am ready to open some of my cards in the mega event that is 5th edition of Digital Marketing Summit. I'll be sharing the proven case studies and amazing tricks. So, don't forget to join the 5th edition of Digital Marketing Summit to hear out all the secrets that I am going to reveal. Thank you.